So a couple of weeks ago, I posted asking if you had any questions or things you wanted to know about. Someone said about macarons. Now, I'm no macaron master. Those bad boys are just such a flippin' pain in the ass. But my biggest tip for that was finding a no-rest recipe. I've tried French, Swiss, and Italian. And the only one that has been pretty consistent for results is the Italian method. And I use Bet's recipe from Magnolia Kitchen, and that has been life-changing because honestly I used to find it so stressful, waiting and like testing the tops and checking that they were ready, and so these you literally pipe, bang them in the oven, and whilst they're in the oven you're piping your next tray. So that is my biggest thing. If you don't want to buy Magnolia Kitchen book, then just Google like macaron no rest recipe, and there's bound to be other ones online. But yeah, that's my biggest one. But if you've got any like specific questions about macarons, then flick them through or put them on a comment and I'll see if I can answer it. Anyway, first reel with my bald head. I'm really